Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about Morissette Amon, Never Enough. I know it's been a long time, someone asked me, and I'm so sorry that it took me a while, but now here it is. So I chose the on Wish bus version. I haven't listened, so I don't know what it's gonna be like, but I'm sure it's gonna be perfect. But let's listen.
I'm trying to hold my breath.
Wish 1075.
Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream with me. And now, can you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough. Never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, and it'll never be enough. Never be enough for me. Never, never. Never for me. For me. Never enough. Never enough. Never enough for me. For me. For me. All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough. Enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands can hold the world, and it'll never be enough. Never be enough for me. Never. Never, never, never for me, for me. Never enough, never, never, never enough. Never enough for me, for me, for me.
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Well, what to say, it's been a long time actually I haven't heard her. And obviously she's always just, the way she sings is always to be, it's flawless. What was interesting in this one, I really love this song. I really love this song. And the whole movie is actually The Greatest Showman. It's one of my big favorite. And what is this song about? What I think, or what I feel that this song, is about, basically what the title says, it's never enough. And I could never really relate with the lyrics because I don't live the way like that. Unfortunately, the world think differently, and the world pushes us into a direction that we need always more, and doesn't matter that you learn this, okay, good, now learn that and learn that and learn that, and more money and more house and more this and more this and more this and more this, and we are just chasing the happiness, chasing success, chasing something that we desperately believe that if we reach that, it's gonna make us happy and complete. And that's a problem, I would say. And that's why many people is so unhappy, even those who on paper we think that they have the perfect life, or they have everything. That's the thing. External things can never give you that internal happiness, because what you need is internal happiness, not external happiness. External happiness is something that, because it's external, it depends on something, which means if it depends on something, you can lose it anytime, anywhere, like this. But if you find the happiness inside, then no one can take that away from you, because that doesn't depend on anything. And this is such a beautiful song, and it's really obviously fit in a movie, but I could never relate with the lyrics. I'm not gonna lie, I've been there too. Like there was a time when I just wanted more and more and more and more and more, and then I still felt so empty. Even I got those things, I felt empty, and I never understood why. And it's so weird that such a beautiful song, and the way she sings, it's absolutely flawless. However, I could feel, and I could sense some kind of I don't want to say weakness, because it's not weakness, but I heard some flat thing or off note in there, which is, oh, come on, it doesn't really matter, because the whole performance still came through. I'm just saying, if we watch vocally, there was a couple of things, but we know, and I know, that she's an absolutely amazing singer in every way. She has the package, vocally, emotionally, spiritually, what else, physically. She's just beautiful. But for some reason I felt something odd in this one. Maybe, I don't know, but maybe she can't relate with the song 100% either. Because anytime I heard her sing other songs, which could be the Phoenix, which could be the Rising, Rise Up, she was so full of energy, and I could feel that, oh, this is coming through. And you know what I felt now? I felt like that she sang the song great, absolutely, because she can, but something was odd. And maybe I would say because I can tell that she's a person who finds the internal things, the real value, or she values those, and it's not about, again, the fame, the money, and things like that. That's what I can sense, and maybe that's why she just couldn't relate with the song 100%. But again, it's something that I feel. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. But everything else, vocally, the way she built up the song, softly, gently, quietly the beginning, then she went into that beautiful mixed voice, beautiful belting the end. Again, the way she sang, it was like being the easiest thing on earth still. So that's what I can feel, that's what I can tell now. Yeah, if I missed anything, please let me know. Just post below the video. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. I can help you with something just to look in things in different angle. And if you have any more suggestions, please feel free to post below the video. If you have any questions, again, post below the video. If you're interested in lessons or my new online training, you find both links below the video. And hopefully to see you in the next video. And thank you very much. God bless you all, guys. And thank you very much. And stay safe, definitely, especially, lately, even more. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.